What if your fridge holds the secret to slashing cholesterol? No prescriptions needed. In a world where maintaining good health is essential, certain vegetables can play a pivotal role in managing cholesterol levels. Today, we're revealing 5 explosive veggies that destroy LDL, unclog arteries, and flood your body with cholesterol-busting vitamins. Oh, and vegetable number 3 works in just 8 weeks, proven by research. Ready to heal? Let's go! First up, the leafy green your arteries crave. Spinach, the Lutein Laser, known for its vibrant green color and nutrient density. This leafy vegetable is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with antioxidants known as lutein and zeaxanthin, which reduce inflammation and improve vascular health. A compelling study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who consumed spinach regularly had lower LDL cholesterol levels. You can enjoy spinach raw in salads, sautéed with garlic, or blended into soups for a creamy texture. Avocado takes a prominent spot at number 2, often hailed as a superfood. Loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamins E and K, avocados can significantly lower bad cholesterol levels. According to a study in the Journal of the American Heart Association, participants who included avocados in their daily diet experienced significant reductions in LDL cholesterol. They are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or as a part of a creamy guacamole. Next up, the cruciferous kingpin that blocks cholesterol spikes. Broccoli, the Soluble Fiber Shield, a superstar in the vegetable kingdom. This cruciferous vegetable is not only rich in vitamins C and K, but it also contains sulforaphane, a compound linked to cholesterol reduction. Research indicates that consuming steamed broccoli can increase bile acid production, promoting cholesterol excretion. Incorporating broccoli into your meals is simple. Try it steamed, roasted, or blended into a smoothie for added nutrition. But wait, there is another crusader which is a cholesterol assassin. Eggplant, a lesser-known vegetable with remarkable cholesterol-lowering properties. Rich in fiber, particularly soluble fiber called pectin, eggplant can help reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut. Research has highlighted that regular consumption of eggplant can lead to a decrease in total cholesterol and triglycerides. This delightful vegetable can be grilled, baked, or sautéed, adding a unique flavor and texture to various dishes. Finally, meet the crunchy root that scrubs arteries clean. Carrots, the pectin powerhouse, known for their high content of beta-carotene and fiber, carrots not only support eye health, but also contribute to cholesterol management. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that increased carrot consumption led to lower triglyceride levels. Enjoy them raw as snacks, roasted, or blended into a refreshing juice for maximum benefits. Boom! There you have it! Which of these cholesterol-crushing veggies are you adding to your plate first? Drop a comment below, and if you're ready to ditch statins and heal naturally, hit subscribe and smash that notification bell. Your heart will thank you. Stay fierce, stay proactive, stay healthy. And you can watch more of our videos somewhere here.